This is the magical little experiment that makes children put down their phones and fall in love with science. A pencil lead placed in the middle of a battery can actually ignite a match. This is due to the conductivity and thermal conductivity of graphite. Place an egg in a glass of clear water, and the egg will sink to the bottom. If you add enough salt to the water, and stir well until the salt dissolves, the egg will float. This is the mystery of buoyancy. Add a few drops of blue and orange dye into 2 separate glasses. Fill the blue one with cold water and the orange one with hot water. If you place the hot water on top of the cold water and remove the card in between, you will see that there is no change in the 2 glasses. They remain separate, or choisi. However, if you reverse it and place the cold water on top of the hot water, once you remove the card in between, the result is completely different. The 2 glasses of water immediately mix into another color. This is the phenomenon of thermal convection, where heat rises and cold sinks. If you blacken an egg by holding it over a candle flame, you'll notice that the surface of the egg is matte black with no shine. However, if you immerse it in water, its pitch black surface becomes fluorescent and shiny. This demonstrates the light-absorbing and hydrophobic properties of graphite carbon. A flat sheet of paper finds it difficult to bear weight in the middle. However, if you fold it into a corrugated shape, not only can it support a cup in the middle, but even if you fill it with water, it won't collapse. This is the power of structure. If you place an ordinary piece of paper over a flame, it will unsurprisingly catch fire and burn through quickly. However, if we wrap a glass cup on the back of the paper, you'll find that the same paper is not so easily ignited. This is because the cup quickly absorbs the heat from the paper. Spread a layer of fine sand in a dish, pour a little alcohol as fuel, and sprinkle a mixture of white sugar and baking soda in a 4:1 ratio on top. Once ignited, you can see a black snake-like object seemingly emerging from the sand. This is the Pharaoh's snake experiment. Instead of letting children play virtual mobile games, it's better to let them experience real physical and chemical phenomena through hands-on experiments. This can stimulate their curiosity, satisfy their thirst for knowledge, and lay a foundation for future science studies.